Hello and welcome to part 2 of the instructional video on how to use the brand new section of ezfocus, the overhauled My Products Listed 2. If you haven't already watched part 1 with the web version, please do that first. This accompanying video is to help all of the users in the field take My Products Listed with them in their pocket using ezfocus's mobile app. So let's take a look at what this is going to look like. We're going to use the example that we used in the web video version as well. So as we know in the ezfocus app, all we need to do is type in the name of the account or the account number, and it pulls up the store's page. Across the top, as always, there's the My Products tab. My Products is the place where you can do deep dives about all the data that comes automatically from the liquor board or jurisdiction. As we know in this example, we're in Nova Scotia, so the on-premise channel isn't published, which is the benefit of having the next tab over, the My Products Listed section. You'll see that the list of products here in the app matches the web, and they're grouped into the 3 types of buckets that we saw in the web as well, which is My Products, Competitors' Products, and both mine and theirs that are currently not listed. The biggest difference between the web and the app is that the app is designed for simplicity. So if I want to make updates to a product, I can see them all here instead of a big table like in the web. And if I want to make any changes, all I would need to do is find a product and swipe left. If I hit the green list button, the product is automatically added to that store's list of products. And if I want to refresh, I just pull down and my system updates. I can then find the product that I just listed and I can hit more, or I can add a photo. If I want to add a photo of this product's permanent place in this account, or if I have a special feature that's benefit of adding the photo, just like objectives or achievements, I would hit the button, I would hit my small camera icon, and I would say if I want to take a new picture or use a photo from my gallery, and I'd attach it. If it's something else besides a photo, I'd hit on the More button. More is going to pull up the My Products Listed maintenance menu. Here's where you get access to all of the critical information about this product in this account, including things like category, brand family. Again, you can list it or delist it here, or you can input things like visibility on when the product was listed in the account or delisted. You can very quickly indicate just by checking on the check marks here if it's by the glass or by the bottle, or if you have a speed rail versus the back bar kind of thing. You can track retail bin capacity, just like we talked about in the web version. How many facings or waterfall or what your overall bin capacity looks like. You can do things like input your volume. As a reminder, you always want to be entering volume in bottles or units. The system will do the rest for you. The A&P calculator will also work for you. All you got to do is indicate whether or not the A&P rate for this product in this account is a percentage of the price, or if it's a flat rate per case. And then, of course, you have things like bulk buy forecasts or what the total volume expectations of this account are this year. What you might notice above is that retail merchandising is not visible, like we talked about in the web. As I mentioned, the app is designed for simplicity, and the app has automatically detected that this account is a licensee account. So it omits all the things that are not relevant for an on-premise account automatically for the user. So if you're a salesperson, you can definitely take the time at the end or the beginning of a week to input all of the things that are going on in your territory en masse in the web version. But we've given you a great tool here to sit down inside one of your on-premise accounts and load products into it from the menu. All you'd have to do is hit the add button, like in the web version, and add a product. Or if I want to add a competitive product, something like, oh, I don't know, let's say this account started carrying Apothic Red. I can just hit that. I'd like to add it to the current year that's ongoing. It's listed, and I see it on the menu as a by the glass competitor. And that's all I'm going to save for it right now. You'll see that my competitor list is updated. And then if I come back the following week and they found out that they weren't going to carry that, I can unlist it just as easily. My final thought about My Products Listed in the web and the app is to remind everybody that some of this work is definitely manual. The My Products Listed tab in many on-premise channels across the country and even some retail channels, the work of indicating what products are carried and how much they're selling is a manual one. And this is very valuable for you as a territory manager and your company overall to be able to understand sales and depletions and market share inside accounts that otherwise wouldn't be visible. We really hope you enjoy this time-saving tool, and please reach out with any questions.